Did you know two of golf's biggest stars learned to play while bombs were going off around them? This is the incredible story of Rory McIlroy and Darren Clarke. They grew up playing golf in Northern Ireland during the Troubles, a time when violence was everywhere. Golf courses weren't safe places back then. Bombs exploded at clubs. Players faced threats just for being from the wrong neighborhood. Some courses had to close because of attacks. But young Rory and Darren kept playing. They practiced their swings while sirens wailed in the distance. They putted on greens that had been damaged by explosions just weeks before. Darren Clarke remembers having to leave tournaments early because of security warnings. Rory's family had to drive carefully to golf courses, avoiding certain areas that were too dangerous. This wasn't normal childhood golf. This was learning the game in a war zone. But here's the amazing part. All that chaos made them mentally stronger. When they later faced pressure at major championships, nothing could shake them. After all, what's a tough putt compared to dodging real danger?